Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check for AI-generated text in Google Docs using a free add-on. This is especially helpful for teachers, students, and writers who want to confirm whether content is written by a human or AI. Let's get started. First, open your document in Google Docs. Next, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. Then select Add-ons and click Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type in Plagium. This add-on works as both a plagiarism checker and GPT detector. Click on it, then follow the steps to install. Once it's installed, highlight the section of text you want to analyze. Go back to Extensions, Plagium, and this time, choose GPT detector. The tool will scan your text and show results indicating whether it's likely human-written or AI-generated. You can also use its plagiarism checker feature if you want to see if the text matches other sources online. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can now detect AI-written content directly in Google Docs for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Google Docs tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.